excited for. You know why? Because we are going to the Harry Potter studios. See, I'm a big Potterhead. You can see it from my t-shirt. So this is gonna be one of the best experience in my life. So come on, let's see. Look at that Patronus. Aloha, welcome to Harry Potter. Hey, look at that. I'm feeling haunted. This is behind the magic. Everyone is wearing their robes. If not everyone, almost half the people are wearing their robes.
では当時このセットを作ったスタッフが完璧な2つ目を作り上げ
Welcome to the Great Hall. Wow, all these sets look so real.
出してみると映画の中ではわからなかった
These are real chairs that were actually used in the
例
movie.
えば壁に描かれている絵あれは壁画を担当したスタッフが認定
Emma Slytherin.
赤といえばグリフィンドール
Draco is my favorite character throughout the movie and throughout the books actually.
謎のプリンスに登場する人
Look, the staircase is moving and the pictures, the portraits are also moving. This is so real, so real. So if you want to see yourself in these portraits, what you actually have to do is you have to come here and you have to scan a QR code they'll give you and you have to scan it there and there you can just post there. You can do whatever you want to do and you'll see yourself in one of these portraits. This is the Gryffindor common room. I don't like Gryffindor. Come to my place, I'll show you my common room. Welcome to Slytherin common room. This is my common room. Look, it's so dark, it's so ambitious. Slytherin people play chess, that's why they are so smart. I just heard Draco calling Hermione a mudblood. A Quidditch match is about to start and I have to cheer for Slytherin. That Quidditch experience was so fun. It actually felt that I was a character in the movie. But I'm also very sad that my team lost. But it's okay, this was so fun. Filming as, cheer. Like we got to cheer. And we are cheerleaders. That was so fun. This is Dumbledore's office and look, Fox is actually moving. So this actually shows that which character has which wand. So see this wand, it resembles this. This is number 6. Now this is Draco's wand. So let's see who is on number 6. Draco Malfoy. I'm so proud Draco is my favorite character. This shows all the costumes different characters wore at the Yule Ball. Goblet of Fire. Hermione's dress is so adorable. Hermione, Luna, Fleur Delacour, Wintergraph. Welcome to Snape's Potions classroom. Don't I look like Professor Snape? Turn to page 394. Why is Dolores Umbridge here? And why is Gilderoy Lockhart here? I hate both of them. This is a mirror of the Eastgate. This mirror shows something that you desperately want in your life. For example, Harry did not have his parents. So when Harry used to stand here, he used to see his parents in the mirror of the Eastgate.
Do any action you want to do.
All these are actually Voldemort's Horcruxes. See, the diadem, the trophy, then the ring, this locket and this diary. But why is Harry not here? He was also Horcrux. Hey, look at that, Hermione's time turner. This is a forbidden forest where students used to get detention here. See, they could have made these sets look fake by making it out of plastic and they could have saved money. But if you look at this iron pillar, it's made of real iron. They have made all the sets look so real. Buckbeak! I'm going to bow to him. Let's see if he's going to bow back. He bowed to me.
ये
This set looks so real. Even the monsters, they look so real. Look at this. This is so nostalgic. This is butterbeer, the famous drink they show you in Harry Potter. In the books and movies, it's shown that it's alcoholic, but in real, it's not. Let's see how it tastes. By the way, butterbeer is both hot and cold. So I want a cold butterbeer. Let's see. It tastes kind of soft drink. Like it has some soft drink. It is a mixture of both sour and sweet. It's good actually. I thought it's completely sweet, but it's a mixture of sour and sweet. So after drinking this butterbeer, you also have to wash it on your own. So should I tell you a secret? You can take this butterbeer home. Yes, so you once wash it, then you can take this as a souvenir and keep it at your home. This idea was so good. I'll finally have a Harry Potter souvenir for myself. Welcome to the night bus. Public transport for a stranded witcher wizard. We'll actually go inside this bus. So let's see what's inside.
Welcome to the night bus. Emergency transport for a stranded witch or wizard.
This is a monster book of monsters, and it looks actually very real because it's moving so much. This is Harry's house. Number 4, Privet Drive, Little Winging Sari. Go.
We look for the ugliest.
This is covered under the stairs. Harry's house. Look. Poor Harry. I feel so bad for him. Harry's jacket. Look at this. You remember Philosopher's Stone? All the letters falling down. This is so good. This feels so real. And look at that. The scene from The Prisoner of Azkaban. Aunt Marge. Wow. They have made this look so real. This is so good. This is platform 9 and 3 quarters, the most famous location in the entire franchise. Why am I not able to get there? This is the Hogwarts Express. Come, we'll go inside. Look at this. This is from the first movie. This is the chocolate. Oh, the chocolate frog went away. Hello, Draco. This is one of the most iconic scenes. Dementor. This was so amazing. From inside, this book is just a mix of levers and other machines. This is what makes this book so real because it appears to move. This book actually has all the machines so that this book can actually move its claws and it can move its body. The sets of Harry Potter are truly amazing engineering marvels. This is the Diagon Alley where all witches and wizards come to buy stuff for Hogwarts. And look, Weasley's Wizard Weezes, that candy shop. This is the Ministry of Magic when Harry and Voldemort they duel in the Order of the Phoenix. So this was the end of the Harry Potter studio tour. I hope you liked the video. I myself had so much fun. This was so nostalgic and revived all my memories of Harry Potter. So if you are a Potterhead and if you come to Japan, do visit this place. Thank you.